When working with machine learning models, especially linear regression, you often encounter categorical features, so say color or gender, and these cannot be directly used in mathematical models. And this is where something called dummy variables comes in. So what are dummy variables? They're basically binary, so 0 or 1, variables that are created to represent categories from a non-numeric column. Essentially, they allow categorical data to be included in regression models without violating the assumptions of linear algebra. And so why are these variables needed? Well, basically, regression models expect numeric input. So categorical variables like male and female need to be translated into numeric form. And something that's very important when we use dummy variables is we always drop 1 to avoid something called multi-collinearity, which breaks our assumptions for linear algebra. And this is known as the dummy variable trap. So right here you can see what we did is we dropped the column for gender female and just kept the one for gender male. And now let's see a Python code example of using dummy variables. And what this code does is it's going to predict salary based on gender and experience. So we can see our data set right here where we have gender, experience, and salary. And the first thing we do is convert gender to a dummy variable, and then we drop one of the columns to avoid the dummy variable trap. So we have our data. For the column's gender, we drop the first column, and as type int, which basically means it'll be 0 or 1. So now we can see all we have is gender male as opposed to having gender female over here, and we have our 0s and 1s. After we've done that, we can start training a linear regression model with this data. So this is the exact same stuff as before up here, but now we've added separated out our features and target. So we're trying to predict salary, which is a target, and our features are experience and gender male. So what we want to do is now create a linear regression model and fit the data to it. After it's done all this stuff under the hood, so it's basically calculated our intercept and our coefficient, we can print out these formulas. And so what we've gotten from this is salary is equal to this y-intercept value plus this value times experience, and then this value times gender male, which will be 0 or 1. So essentially the coefficient for experience tells you how much the salary increases per year of experience, and for gender male it shows the salary difference between males and the reference category, which is female. And once again, just always remember the dummy variable trap. So we have gender male, and we also had gender female, but we dropped that one to avoid perfect multicollinearity, which breaks the assumption of linear regression. Check out my software and courses in the description. I want to thank you for liking and subscribing. See you in the next one. Take it easy.